Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to buy Dogecoin on Binance. What you need to do? First, you need to go to Binance account and log in your account. And if you don't have an account, I will leave the link in the description below and you can register. It's completely free. After you register, then just you go here, buy crypto, pay with, then click here, then you choose the currency. There are a lot of different currencies here. And after that, you choose the payment methods. There is bank deposit, credit and debit card, P2P, trading, and third-party payment. Choose the payment methods. After that, go to wallet and click here, fiat and spot. Just wait for a few seconds. And then just you scroll down and here you see USDT. Just click here, buy. Here spend. For example, I choose 500 and 500 USD, that is 492 USDT. After that, go here, trade, and click convert. And then enter the amount of USDT, and that was 492. And then choose Doge Coin. Just scroll down. Is here. And then click preview conversion. As you can see here, insufficient balance because I don't have balance in my account. But this is what you need to do if you want to buy Dogecoin on Binance. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.